Let us make your dreams of adventure and relaxation come true. Get ready to feel the crisp freshness of affordable and luxury travel. If you yearn for a break and wish to travel to warm and exotic places, come join us for the best prices on air travel and vacations available today. Havasu Travel Center is a premier distributor of affordable travel, and our goal is to bring affordable vacations to people around the world. Havasu Travel Center is dedicated to providing a first-class experience for our clients at the cheapest price. Our vacations are designed by travel professionals for the pleasure and satisfaction of all our clients. Come and let Havasu Travel Center and the warm winds of the tropics carry you to destinations filled with tantalizing tastes, immeasurable hospitality, and the memories of a lifetime. Havasu Travel Center is here to make the most of your vacation.